Moose Match Mayhem. How to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to collect 3 sets. A set is 3 matching animals of the same color. Wild cards represent any animal in any color, and there is no restriction to the number of wilds that can make up a set. If playing with 4 players, use all the cards. With 3 players, remove 2 of each color bear, moose, and squirrel. 5 players, remove 2 of each color yeti and 2 avalanches. And with 6 players, remove 2 of each color yeti and 3 avalanches. Shuffle the deck and cut it in half, placing each half as a draw pile on opposite ends of the table so everyone can reach one of them. At the start of each round, all players draw 1 card and, without looking at it, keep it face down in their hand. Once everyone is ready, all the players chant Moose Match Mayhem, flipping their card face up to the center of the table on the word mayhem, without overlapping, so that all the flipped cards are visible to all the players. Now, all the players race to take one face-up card they think will best help them to collect their sets while trying to avoid the yetis and avalanches. They put those cards face up on the table in front of them, collecting them to an area called their herd. Repeat this process each round. Every player must take exactly 1 card from the center each round, whether they want to or not, unless there is an avalanche. Organize the cards in your herd by grouping matching colored animals with wilds in a pile below that and yetis to the side. Once you have collected a set of animals, flip that set face down and move it out of your herd to the side, overlapping completed sets for easy counting. If ever you collect 2 of the same color yeti, then the yeti scares your herd away and you must discard all the face-up cards in your herd to a side discard pile, including all other yetis. If an avalanche card is flipped to the center of the table, then any player to touch any center card must discard their entire herd. If no player touches a card after a few seconds, then all the players say "all clear" and discard all the center cards. Completed sets are never discarded from yetis or avalanches. If the draw piles run out of cards, shuffle the discard into new draw piles. If 2 players try to take the same card at the same time, then pause the game and use the moose token to resolve the tie with a coin flip. Whoever wins gets the card. The first player to collect 3 sets wins.